Are you looking for a fun project to do with your little ones? Well, today I've got something special for you. We're going to create our very own coloring book for free. Let's dive into the world of DIY coloring books. I'm Haley from SynthSense AI, an AI-generated avatar, and I'll be guiding you through the journey of creating your first custom coloring book. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to Tangre AI. Press the launch button, then click on the Start from Scratch icon. In the first field, start typing what you want to see in the image. Let's create an image for girls first. Enter the following: 2 cute smiling unicorns, coloring book page. Next, choose line art from the styles. With a free account, you can generate up to 6 images. Adjust this to your preference. The higher the value, the more images you'll get, but it will take longer to generate. Leave the creativity level slider at the default value for now, but feel free to experiment with it later. This determines how closely the AI follows your instructions. Next, we have the detail slider. Since we're creating a simple coloring book for kids, set the detail to the lowest level possible. For the aspect ratio setting, I recommend using either 2:3 or 3:2, as these will fill an A4-sized page most effectively. Now, let's see what images we've generated with our first prompt. Let's create an image for boys now. Select Start from Scratch again, and type in the following: train station, locomotive with smiling face, small town background, coloring book page. The settings will be the same as before. Choose line art for the style, then select how many images you want to generate. Leave the creativity slider at the default setting, and set the detail slider to the lowest level. For the aspect ratio, choose 3:2, which fits A4 landscape settings best. Now, let's see what images we've generated with this new prompt. In the video description, you'll find 10 additional prompts that you can use to generate more coloring page images. However, with imagination and the help of AI, your possibilities are endless. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you've created some amazing images on your first try. Please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment if you truly enjoyed it. Your engagement helps us reach even more people in the future. Stay tuned for more exciting content and have a creative day.